turns, each person at your station chooses a spot that you put it in.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go!
For us, it's very important to have an environment where a student can become a well-rounded individual. We like to go above and beyond what the state standards require. And so we have an enrichment club program. We have a very involved PTA and parent community. And so they come in, they volunteer, and they create these fabulous clubs for our students.
I and another lady started clubs at Shamrock probably about 10 to 12 years ago. It was something that was very close to my heart, for it allowed a lot of our students to participate in extracurricular activities during the school day. Thinking about students who may not be able to financially afford to do something after school. So I thought, how can we bring this to school and our kids be exposed to these different high interest clubs? And also our teachers get to have fun with our kids outside of just academics in the classroom.
They get to learn new things and explore content that goes beyond what they usually study Monday through Friday. We love our parents. They basically come in and just do everything that is necessary to create this wonderful magic for our students, and it's something that we look forward to on our Fridays.